Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your HP laptop model and BIOS. This matters because some models default to action keys. Press and hold Fn while testing F1, F12 to see current behavior. Once done, open Windows Settings or HP BIOS to change behavior. This gives you control over whether F keys perform media functions or act as standard F keys. Make sure to note if an Fn lock key exists. That lets you toggle the default instantly without deeper changes. Now adjust Windows settings or HP-specific utilities. Go to Settings, search Keyboard, and find the option that sets F keys to behave as standard function keys. Toggle it and test by pressing F5 or F11. If no option appears, install HP Support Assistant or open BIOS during boot. Press ESC or F10, navigate to System Configuration, then Action Keys mode. Save and exit. Make sure to reboot if prompted, so the change takes effect system-wide, and in apps that rely on function keys. Finish by entering BIOS to permanently set F key behavior when needed. Restart, press ESC then F10, go to System Configuration and toggle Action Keys mode off for standard F keys. Save changes and boot into Windows to verify behavior in your applications. If something goes wrong, update your BIOS and keyboard drivers first, then test with an external keyboard to isolate hardware from software. If the Fn key is physically stuck, gently clean around keys or contact support. Software
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.